लाइब्रेरी।
कॉलेज की ग्रंथालय की पुस्तक लौटाने में आपने बहुत देर कर दी, तो आइए देखते हैं अब आप वहाँ बात किस तरह करते हैं।
वाचनालय में। मेघा कॉलेज के वाचनालय में पुस्तक लौटाने आई है, परंतु देरी के कारण उसे दंड भरना होगा। इसी सिलसिले में वो बातचीत कर रही है।
Ma'am, I'm here to return a book.
Okay. You're late by full 3 weeks.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but this book was very important. It is not easily available, and so I kept it for studying.
This is not correct. Many students have queued for this book. They also want to study. What you have done is a selfish job.
I'm really sorry, ma'am, but I needed this book, so...
You could have Xeroxed and returned.
Oh, that did not strike me. But I'll take care of it next time.
It's okay, but now you have to pay fine. It's 3 weeks late. Now you have to pay rupees 210 as late fee.
Please, ma'am, please give me some concession.
No way. You have to pay the fine for your negligence. Otherwise, I have to cancel your card and complain to the principal.
Okay, ma'am, I will.
Okay, submit your book, pay fine at cash counter, and take away your library card.
Okay, ma'am, I will. Is there a telecommunications book?
Sorry, it's already issued. You have to put a claim first. Fill in the claim form.
Oh, please don't. I'll pay the fine, ma'am.
Okay, now pay the fine and take back your cards.
Thank you, ma'am.
एजुकेशन मटेरियल एक्सचेंज।
कॉलेज में दोस्तों से मदद तो मांगनी पड़ती है, कभी कोई नोटबुक, कभी कुछ और। तो आइए हम भी अपने दोस्तों से कुछ मांगते हैं।
पढ़ाई की पत्रिकाओं की लेन देन। नेहा को अपनी सहेली मोना से उसकी परीक्षा की तैयारी से कुछ पत्रिकाएं उधार चाहिए। वो मोना से विनती कर रही है।
Hi, Mona.
Hi Neha, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, now tell me the reason for the surprise visit.
Oh, you know, Mona, next Monday is our Vivas and I haven't finished writing my journal yet. I know you have your journal completed and certified.
Yes, I got it corrected just yesterday.
Could I please borrow yours?
Yes, you can take it. But when will you return it?
Around 2 days or so.
Okay, take it. But please take care. Don't misplace it or make any stains on it. Or else my Viva will be spoiled.
Thanks a lot. Oh, by the way, have you gotten the last year's question papers?
No. Do you have them?
Yes, my dad brought it from town yesterday. I'll make a copy of it and give it to you with your journal. Is that okay?
Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Do you want to have some coffee?
No, dear. I'm already running late and I've got to finish the journal. Maybe some other time.
Okay, take care and be sure to return my journal in 2 days.
Don't worry. It's my responsibility.
Okay, bye.
Bye.